Welcome to your guide on setting up for prompt engineering. Are you ready to dive into the world of prompt engineering? It's transforming how we interact with AI. Let's simplify this technical journey together. First, we need to address essential technical requirements. Understanding these is key. You'll need a suitable machine for development. A computer with at least 8 GB of RAM is ideal. Start by installing Python, a popular programming language for this work. You'll also want to install libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. After setting up Python, head to your command line. Use pip, the package installer, to download libraries. Just type commands like pip install TensorFlow or pip install Torch. This will prepare your environment for prompt engineering. Now, let's evaluate different tools available. You can use platforms like OpenAI's GPT or Hugging Face. It can be helpful for beginners and experts alike. Another great option is Google Colab. It provides a cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment. Here, you can write and test code without worrying about setups. Imagine using OpenAI's GPT to generate text. With the right environment and tools set up, you can create scenarios, dialogues. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. In short, prompt engineering needs a capable machine and the required Python libraries installed. Finally, evaluate which tools best meet your needs. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to get started. Dive into your projects and see what you can create. In the next video we will discuss about prompt design fundamentals. Stay connected with us. Thank you.